De Morgan's theorem has two statements. First is that an AND, or we can say complement of the AND, is equal to A bar plus B bar. We can say if there is an inner operation as an AND, it will be converted into OR and individual variables will be complemented. In the same fashion, we have a second statement, a complement of OR is equal to AND of individuals complement. It means if the inner operation is OR, it will be converted to AND and individual variables will be complemented. So let us see how we can verify experimentally the De Morgan's theorem. So we'll have to verify its truth table, but in order to do that, let's see if I want to see for, let's say, first statement, complement of AB should be equal to A bar plus B bar. What I can do, I'll use the IC 7400, which is a quad 2 input NAND gate IC. So I'll do something like this one, that I'll take this NAND gate, okay, and I'll use a IC 7400 in which this is a pin 1, this is pin 2 and this is 3. I'll verify its output, let's say here. Now this is my left hand side. Now what about the right hand side? Right hand side says it is A bar plus B bar. So the very first thing I'll have to do is connect a NOT gate or inverter for A to get me a bar, then another NOT gate. From B I'll get a B bar, and this both has to be odd here. Both has to be odd here. Now this is a theoretical one. I'm getting another output here. Now which IC is to be used for NOT gate? So for this NOT gate, I'll use a IC 7404. So as we know, in 7404 we have a hex inverter. 6 inverters are there inside this one. So first gate is pin 1, its 2 is output. Similarly second gate is 3, its 4 is output. Now this will connect it to a OR IC. For OR we have a 7432 IC. Similarly, if I take a first gate, it will be its pin 1, it will be its pin 2 and output will take from 3. So in order to see the different outputs, what I can do, I can connect it to one indicator, let's say some LED, here 100 ohm or 330 ohm, up to 330 ohm I can use, and this I'll give it to the another LED, same way 100 ohm or 330 ohm. And now I need to connect this one. Now in order to verify left hand side as well as right hand side to both the same input, what I'll do, I'll connect its A to its A, or I can say I'll connect its pin 1 to its pin 1, so that if I give it a input, whatever I give input to this pin 1, the same will be available here. In the same way, I can connect its pin 2 here as a B input to this, and it will act as a B, it will act as a A. So here I'll try to give all the possible inputs 00, 01, 10, 11, and I'll try to see whether I am getting these outputs Y1 and these output Y2 same. If I say both the outputs are same, I can verify, I can say that my truth table is verified and my first statement of De Morgan's theorem is verified. Now what about the second statement? For second statement, in the same fashion as we have seen here, the first statement, now to the second statement, A plus B complement will be equals to A bar dot B bar. Now here for the left hand side, we'll use a NOR gate IC. For NOR we have a IC 7402. One caution, that the IC 7402 has some pin characteristic different from all other AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate and XOR gate ICs. So here one should be cautious that its pin 1 and 2 are not inputs, but its pin 1 is a output and pin 2 and 3 is a input. So that caution one must take into account. And now to the right hand side, similarly I'll have to connect one inverter, another inverter for the next input, and these both are ANDed here. So these are ANDed here. Now this is a sort of theoretical. Now what to connect to each one? So 7404 IC we can use it for inverter and 7408 for AND gate. Now just start writing the pin numbers. So first gate pin 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, and to this AND gate I'll take this as a pin 1, this as a 2 and this as a 3, and similar to the earlier one, this I'll give it to some indicator to check the output in what logic I am getting. This is a LED. Similarly here it is another LED with the series current limiting resistor of 100 ohm or 330 ohm. Same way here. And now I need to connect that this A to this A so that both should experience the similar input. Let's say I'll name it A, and to this I'll name it as B, and I'll try to verify whether I am getting the logical operation similar for both the outputs. Let's say Y1, let's say Y2. I'll try to check for all the possible. As I know, for OR operation, for OR operation we have, when all the inputs are 0, output is 0, but for NOR it will be just opposite. When all the inputs are 0, it should be 1 and all should remain 0, and I should get the similar output for this one. Then I can say the second statement is verified. Now this is a theoretical part. Let us see practically. Here we'll start to verify De Morgan's theorem's one of the statement, the complement of A plus B is equal to A bar dot B bar. So in order to perform this, first we made a power supply ready. We have seen both the indicators are showing that we are getting a proper power supply as the LED is lit. Now these outputs we can use it to check the output. So we'll remove this one. Now I have connected here 7402, a quad 2 input NOR gate. Will require an inverter, so I will use a 7404. Here it is an inverter, and now for AND gate I am using a 7408. The very first task is, whenever you connect a IC, the very first task is to connect its VCC and ground. So in order to connect its VCC, so pin 14 is to be connected to a VCC, pin 7 to ground. So I am connecting. Here you can observe the notch. So this will be pin 1, this will be pin 7. So I am connecting its pin 7 to a ground. Same way I'll do it for all the IC ground, and in the same way I'll connect its VCC to this, and this is to be connected to a ground, pin 7 to this. So my power supply means, you can say, VCC and ground are connected. So as per this, if I see the diagram, its pin 2 and its inverter's pin 1 will make it common. So how to do it? Let us see. If I want to make that common, I'll connect some of the wires here. It's pin 2 and the inverter's pin 1, and this will act as a one of the input. So I'll give it to, this is for the input, yellow wire is for the input, pin 2. Similarly pin 3 I'll take it as another input, and this pin 3 and here pin 3, both pin 3 of inverter, I'll connect it to a common line. So here again I am using one more wire. You can say it's pin 3 IC 7402 and pin 3 of inverter. This we have connected commonly. Now pin 1 is a output, so I'll give this as a pin 1 as a output. This given to a pin 1 output. Now inverter's pin 2 is to be connected to AND gate's pin 1. So one more, I'll connect inverter's pin 2 is this one. Output of inverter is connected to input of AND gate. Similarly pin 4 is to be connected pin 4 of inverter. This just now we have connected pin 1 to pin 2. Now its pin 2 AND gate's pin 2 is to be connected to the pin 4. So 1, 2, this will be 4. So already we have connected this one. Now we need to connect the second output to its pin 3. So my right hand side is ready, my left hand side is ready, and now I need to just check for all the possible inputs whether I am getting the logic as per my logic. That is, for 0 0 I must get 1. Okay, so let me give the all possible inputs. So when I connect this as to logic 0, this is also to a logic 0, you can see both the LEDs are lit up, means both the LED indicates a logic 1. So as we can see, our first entry for 0 0 is verified. We are getting this as a 1 as well as this as a 1. Now we expect for all other combination 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1 we should not get to 1. So let us check and verify. So if this is a 0 0, I'll connect this to now 0 1. When I give the 0 1, it's off, or we can say the logic 0. Now I'll interchange this. This is a 1 and this is 0. Again the LED is off, means it is a logic 0. Now both the inputs I am giving it to logic 1 1. To the 1 1 I am still getting 0. So I can say all three these possibilities are also verified. It means it's like a NOR, and it is giving me for 0 0 I am getting 1, and for all other combinations I am getting 0. It means its left hand side is equal to right hand side, and now I can say that A plus B, complement of A plus B is equal to end of individual's complement, that is A bar dot B bar. And now with the experiment we can say we have verified this one, that the complement of A plus B is equal to end of the complement of individual variable, that is A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement dot B complement.